Hey guys, how's everyone? So today I want to bring you a real cheap product that actually is very useful. It'll work in probably any vehicle. It'll help keep your interior cleaner, and when you go to clean it, a lot easier. I have a sample here I want to show you guys. It's very simple, under $10. Like I said, it'll just make detailing your car a little bit quicker. So let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up. Okay guys, so like I said, this is a very cheap thing to buy, but I find it very useful. So if you notice here, especially in this car, the cup holder, it has a liner built in. If you tried to take this out, it's a pain in the butt to take out. It even has a tab, but it's really wedged in there. And it's hard to clean up with the grooves in it. So this product here, simple, yet very effective, which I like. I know you've seen these all over the place. These are really nice though. Like I said, they're $9.99 right now. You get two different sizes. And the smaller size fits these perfect in the Acura. They're from TripleAliners. I'll put the link in the description, guys. They have tons of different colors, probably 8 different colors you can choose from. They'll work for the back here as well. But they're really nice. I picked up a red set and a black set. They're made out of leather. The non-slip back. Really basic, but they fit perfect. Check them out here. And the red one will look really sharp if you guys have a red interior. I'm going to go with the black ones, but let me show you. Look at that. It's a perfect fit for these cup holders. Much better. And of course I'll clean the other one before and I'll just put them over the top like that. And then if you have spills or your coffee drips, you just take these out and wash them, put them back in. A lot easier than cleaning this thing. That's probably a big nuisance for me to clean is inside here because it's a pain to pull that liner out. So putting this little liner over the top of it works really good. And then give you an idea, I think this is the bigger one, so it doesn't really fit too great in there. So you go with the smaller ones and you get both in the package for $9.99. I'll show you the difference here. So you can see the smaller ones is what fits perfect up here. So check that out. So if you have the red leather interior, that would look really sharp. It would tie in really good, just add some extra color. Mine's all black, so of course I'm going to go with the black ones. But I just wanted to share that quick item for you guys. Like I said, it's $9.99 for a set. You get 8 and 2 different size ones. It'll just make cleaning your car easy. You take those out, wash them, put them back in. Again, nothing fancy, but I do like to find products that help you keep your car clean, things that make it a little bit quicker, a little easier, because it's not all about modding. It's about keeping the rides you have in good working order, clean. It'll make you enjoy it a lot longer, I found. A clean car is always more enjoyable to ride in, for sure. So, again, if you're interested in this, check the link in the description. It's from AAA for $10, guys. It's on Amazon right now. You can't beat it, and it really just makes it that much easier to clean. Okay, so I hope everyone's having a great day out there, being safe. I'll have another video coming up next week. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.